Okay friends, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can hire someone to build a high quality Shopify store for you in low price. See, I know if you are from US, Canada or this kind of countries, $50, $100, $200 is nothing for you to create a Shopify store. But there are countries where people struggle to pay that kind of amount. Okay, so this video is for those people who are struggling to pay a huge amount for their Shopify store. I'm in Shopify store creation. So finally, after promoting affiliate products for lots of years, now I've decided to put my hands on dropshipping also with free traffic, no paid traffic. Okay, and that's why I'm also trying to build a Shopify store, one product Shopify store to promote a product with a free traffic. Okay, so that free traffic can be a YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or anything. Okay, that I will decide in upcoming days. But for now, I'm going to design a Shopify store, one product Shopify store, and I have already selected a product for myself. Okay, and to select the product, I have seen some Facebook ads. Okay, and the Facebook ads where people's comment are strong, that kind of product I have selected. Okay, and for that product I am trying to design a Shopify store, but I tried to design it by myself, it didn't become nice. That's why what I did is I copied the link, exact link of that Shopify store that I want, that one product Shopify store that I want to design, and then now I'm going to hire someone for low price to create that exact one product Shopify store for myself. Okay, so that is the process that I'm going to show you. See, now if you go to Fiverr, okay, the link is in the description. If you don't have an account on Fiverr, you can create an account from Fiverr in there and you'll get some kind of discount with Fiverr also. Okay, so if you create account on Fiverr and just search for Shopify store or one product Shopify store design, that kind of thing, then you see lots of people have higher priced gig at here. Okay, and if you hire them, then you obviously need to pay this kind of amount. But there is another way to hire on Fiverr which most people don't talk about or they don't know about. Okay, and that is by posting a request. Okay, so to post a request, you just need to click on here and click on post a request, and then what you need to type at here. So for example, in my case, okay, you just can write recreate a one product Shopify store. Okay, or if you want a collection type of Shopify store, you can write that too. Okay, and then next thing you need to do is what are you looking to get done. Okay, just type these things like I need someone who can recreate a one product Shopify store in my new account by looking at the existing Shopify store of other people with the link that I will provide. Okay, so this is the important thing that you need to do. You need to find a store, an existing store that is already doing a business, and recreate that exact store for yourself so that your conversion also gets higher. Okay, also below this YouTube video I'll give this both text. You can literally copy and paste and post this kind of request in your Fiverr account. Okay, so once you do this much, then just click on continue. Now you can see here it says find a developer to build your Shopify site. Just click on here. Okay, and choose a website type. Just click on here and click on e-commerce. Once you do this much, then just click on continue, and then here is the place where you can put your budget. So I suggest that you put at least $25. Okay, but this is a low end, but you can also test with $10, $20. It's your choice. Okay, I think you'll get in that price also, but in $25 you can get people from like India and Pakistan to create a Shopify store for you. Okay, in this kind of price, because this is a good money for those countries. Okay, so I would suggest you, if you can offer I mean a bit more price, that is your choice. Okay, it is even better for the freelancers, and it will motivate them to work for you in even a nice way. But if you are in tight budget, then at least try to spend $25. Okay, and then in timing you can give them a lot of time. Okay, or I would like to at least give them 24 hours. So because recreating is not that difficult. Okay, because they just need to see and create that exact Shopify store, and they already have experience on doing that. So that's why it is going to be an easy job for you. And if you want to make your budget flexible, you can just click on this so that they can understand that you can go up and down in this price. Okay, now if you put this $25, then someone will offer you even in $10, $15. Okay, but you need to see their gigs and see their reviews. If they have done work correctly, in the past. If not, then it is waste of time for you to hire them. Okay, so once you do this much, then just click on review your brief, and you see everything is fine here. Then just click on submit and get matched. Now you need to keep your eyes on your inbox so that you can receive lots of offer. Okay, so for now just click on got it. So now you will see this kind of interface. Just click on this notification and then click on we got your brief and we are already busy matching you with the right talent. Just click on it. Okay, and you'll see this kind of interface where you'll see all of the details that you have kept. Okay, and in case if you want to cancel this, just click on cancel brief. Okay, and here you can see I have already got a proposal, I guess. So let's click on it and see what is it. Yeah, this is a little bit not satisfying thing that I got. Okay, but let's see another also request I have got, like from Rakib Hussain. So it says, hello sir, could you give me your existing store link so that I can research more. Okay, so this is a good thing. Okay, but I can furthermore go and look at his profile also in this way. Let's click here. So seems like he's a new person, but here you can see one product Shopify store. He have some gig and one person I've hired him already. Okay, so we can take risk and send email link and see what he will say. And friends, in this way you'll keep on receiving lots of messages for people asking you to hire them. Okay, and whoever satisfies you, just ask them how can I hire you for this exact price. Okay, and they will either send you a custom offer or you can directly order from your brief, which they will suggest you how you can do it.